In this tutorial, I will show you how to use AlertDyalog. Let's create a new project. AlertDyalog, you can use information, warning, error, confirmation, and none alert type. I will go through one by one. Let's start with the alert information dialog. Let's add the JavaFX 16 library to this project. I have upgraded my IntelliJ to 2021.1, and then I'm currently using JavaFX SDK 16 with JDK 16. Also, I'm using JavaFX SceneBuilder 16.0.0. Let's open sample fxml in SceneBuilder. Instead of using grid pane, okay, I'm going to change to anchor pane. So let me copy controller, use anchor pane. For simple demonstration, I'm going to use one button, one label, one text field, and one text area. Let me rearrange it here. For label, I will say pizza type. FXID LBL pizza type. TF pizza type. Text area TA. Order. Order. BTN order. Event handler. Handle BTN order. Let's go to controller. Make sure you add controller. Package name is sample.controller. Save it. Return to IntelliJ. Let's create data field. Event handler. As you can see, I'm using JavaFX 16. Let's change to private. Let's add annotation. Once you change to private, you need to add fxml annotation. Okay. So alert dialog, we can use information alert. Class name is alert. It comes with the constants. Korea's alert type. We can choose information this time. Then show method. You may need to use other methods. For now, let's try. Preem options. Let's copy, paste it. Add modules, JavaFX, and then controls, JavaFX, and then fxml. Apply OK. So as you can see, AlertType. So if you type Hawaiian pizza, once you click OK button, it's going to show you AlertType. Okay, the message is default and message default OK. But the icon was information for I. Let's change to something more useful. You can set your own title. I will just say information alert dialog. There is another one called set header text. Instead of saying message, you may like to specify. So I will say pizza, order information. So there is another one called set context text. So once we provide the information, we can get the information back. We can say you have ordered Hawaiian pizza, for example, TF pizza type, and get text. The final one, I prefer to say allow, show, and wait. Once we press the button, OK button, we say append text, TF pizza type, get text, so that we can process. Okay, let's have a look. So let's type Hawaiian. Click OK. So you can see pizza order information as header text. you have order Hawaiian, which is context text. And then when you click OK, it's going to process, show, and wait. It's waiting for it. So when you click it, now it shows Hawaiian. That's all. Thank you.